same car, Hyundai, doing a battery. This guy's old, from 22. You want to get those batteries replaced, you know, 3 to 5 years. Got a new one right here. This car does not need an AGM, so don't let them try to upsell you on an AGM. We're just gonna go with a gold, you know, 3-year warranty. Good for me, good for the customer. You're gonna have a 13 retaining bracket down there. I don't know if you can see that, right there. Just gotta drop your 13 and extension on there. I'm gonna use a battery ratchet. You can use hand ratchet, it don't matter. Sorry about that. Have my sockets all mixed around on me. That comes right off, put that aside. You're gonna have a 10 mil standing up. You're gonna want to use a, I mean, you can use a wrench for it. You just gotta be careful. You don't want to touch these two terminals together at all. That'll cause all kinds of problems. Try to stick that out of your way. It don't take much, you know, to tighten these down. Get that up and out of there. Grab your battery, get it out. They're probably like, I don't know, 10 pounds. So you want to be careful, you know. New one set up in there. There you go. Get positive on first. You always want to try and do your positive first. Snug it up, you know. You'll know when it's nice and tight. You don't want to go too tight though. Just make sure it don't move around on you. See how that's moving around on you? Get a little tighter than that. Seems like their terminal might be a little stretched. There you go. Get this negative on. Nice and tight. Bracket. Get out of there. I'm gonna drop that right down in there and try to line that bolt up. There we go. You'll know when it drops in. And you're good to go. That's it.